Hello and welcome. I will show you how to navigate the online catalog, also called OPAC, from the library of the Center for Arts and Media and the Karlsruhe University of Arts and Design. You can get there with the link in the description, but also via the HfG or ZKM websites, or you just scan the QR code in our library flyer. So let's get started. First, we are gonna change the language to English with the button on the top right. You can only change the language on the front page, so I recommend doing that first. On the front page, you can also find important information and news about the library. The most important function of the catalog is the media search. If you want to find a certain book, journal, CD, or other media, or you just want to browse a topic, you can use the search bar on the front page or the advanced search. First, I will show you the quick search and the search results. I will use product design as an example. You can usually just ignore the drop-down menu and just press search. In the result list, you will be able to see every media which contains the term product design. The icons on the left explain the type of media, for example a book, a multi-volume work, a journal or periodical, or even an e-book. The green checkmark signals that the media is available right now. If there is a red cross, it is currently not in the library. Maybe someone rented, or it is new and not yet in our system. You can also use several filters and sorting functions on the right to narrow down your search results, or use the list function. For that, you can easily mark any media you are interested in with the star, and then see your collection in My folder for easy access. To narrow down your search results even further in the first place, I recommend to use the advanced search. Just press the button right there and you will be able to search for more specific results. You can choose the type of information you want to search for in the drop-down fields over there. And then use the operators to search for both of these terms, either of them, or even exclude a term. For example, let's imagine we are looking for a book which is called something about design from an author called Bauer. You would choose the title keyword, which is design, and the author's name, which is Bauer. You could also search for a certain language, a publisher, or a precise year, but for now this is all the information we have. So let's press search and see what we get. Now we ended up with only 4 results, where we can find the book we are looking for easily. If we would have only searched for the title or the author, we would probably find hundreds of results. Okay, so let's check out one of our search results. Here, you can find much more information about the media, and sometimes even a text about the content or the table of contents. If you scroll to the bottom, you find all the information about the availability in the library. You see if it is available, the lending terms. This one you can lend for 14 days like most of the media, and the shelf mark, which is where you can find it in the library. Our shelf marks, also called signature, follow a certain system which is separated by topic. You can see the current topic there, and if you press it, you can find all the other available media in the same topic. There's an overview of all of our topics if you navigate to the systematics page. Unfortunately, it is only in German though. When you click on one of those topics, you can reach the subtopics and browse even further if you are interested in certain areas. So, back to our search result. This book is currently available, and you could just go to the library and find it at the shelf. But what if the book is marked with a red cross and therefore not available? As an example, I chose a book that is already lent by someone. If you remember, you can easily see the availability by the red cross mark on the left. If you then go into the detailed view and scroll to the bottom, you see until when it will approximately be returned. In that case, you don't need to wait and check every day if it is available, but you can also make a reservation. For that, you need to go back to the top of the page and then select the Request Hold button. As you can see, for this function you need to log in with your library account first. I will tell you more details about the account later, But for now, I will log in with my card number and my password, which is always your birthday, including the dots, if you didn't change it. Then you will be forwarded to a small form. You can check the title again and then just press Next. And Next again to confirm your reservation. There's a chance we do not own the media you are looking for. In that case, we will try to lend it from another library. To see the availability, you can simply switch from the local library catalog to the ILL search tab. ILL is short for Interlibrary Loan. This result list contains media that is available in other libraries and can be sent to ours for you to lend. To order an item, you simply go into the Detail page and press the Proceed to Interlibrary Loan button. You also need to be logged in to use that function. Afterwards, you see the details of the item you want to order. We charge a fee of €1.50 for each item, so you should make sure you really need it before placing the order. It is also possible to only request scans of certain pages. For that, you just need to fill in the fields in the first section. If you want to order the physical item, you can add remarks in the second part and choose different options. At last, you need to confirm your order and then place it by pressing the button. It might take a few days to arrive, then you will be notified via email if you can get it at the library counter. If you can't find the media you need in the library and it is not available via interlibrary loan either, it is possible to make an acquisition request. The library staff will then look into it and buy it for the library if possible. To request something, you can either contact the staff in person or you use the form on the website. Just switch to the Acquisition Request tab and follow the link you can find there. Afterwards, you need to choose our library in the drop-down menu, which is ZKM Karlsruhe. Then you can log in with your card number and your usual password. Now you can place the ISBN of the media you want. Then you press the button below and it will automatically fill in the remaining information. If you don't know the ISBN, you can also just fill in the fields by yourself. At the bottom, it is also possible to leave a comment if you want. Otherwise, just press the button and your request will be forwarded to the library staff. We can't guarantee that we will get your media, but this is also a free service, so feel free to use it. You already saw that you need to log in to make a reservation, to use the interlibrary loan, or to do an acquisition request. If you want an account, you need to go to the library and issue a library card. Then you can log into the website with the ID number on the card and your password, which is your birth date including the dots. Afterwards, you will be able to see the details of your account at the My Account page. You can see any requests you made, show fees, or see the media items you lent and extend them. An additional feature of our online catalog are literature lists. The semester attendance lists are put together by professors or lecturers at the HfG and contain media for certain classes or topics. You can view these items in the catalog or directly at the library, where they are set up in a separate shelf for easy access. The library staff will gladly show you the exact location. New acquisitions are all the new media we gained recently, sorted by topic. And last but not least, special collections, where we created lists for certain archives or other collections, for example the media we own in Chinese language. At the Further Search Options page, we offer a list of external links that might help you with your research. It contains catalogues of other libraries in Karlsruhe, catalogues of the Library Union in Germany, links to academic search engines, websites for specific topics like arts or music, databases, archives, and dictionaries you can access with your library ID, and online journals you can also access with your ID. These are bookshops, And at last, there are some links for the ZKM and HfG collections. If you have any questions or remarks, you can send us an email at bibliothek@zkm.de or just ask our staff directly. We will be happy to assist you and look forward to your visit to our library. Thank you for watching.